Starting with a slip knot and chain 26. I measured the length and it's about 4.5 inch. Skip the first chain and start half double crochet from the second chain. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull up a loop and then pull through all the 3 loops in the hook. Again, yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull up a loop and pull through all the 3 loops in. Continue half double crochet in all the chain until we have a total of 25 half double crochet. We have 24 half double crochet, and in the last one we're going to change color. Make a slip knot and pull through all the 3 loops in the hook. Chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to continue doing half double crochet. Leave the chain space and start half double crochet on the first half double crochet of the row 1. This is going to be row 2. Same, we're going to do 25 half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Skip the first chain and start the half double crochet on top of the first half double crochet of row 2. And we're going to continue the same 25 half double crochet. In the end of row 3, we're going to change color. Yarn over, insert the hook in the last stitch and pull up a loop, and then bring back the tail of the yarn in front of you, and we're going to change the color. Pull up a loop and pull through all the 3 loops in the hook. Chain 1 and turn. In the end of the row 5, we're going to change color. crochet 2 more pieces, smaller one with 13 row each with same number of starting chain 26. This is going to be the inner side of the purse. And we're going to join all the 3 pieces with slip knots. Fix one end. Make sure the larger piece is on your side, just in front of you. Insert the hook, pull up a loop and pull through the loop in the hook. This is going to be the slip stitches in all over the side of the purse. Same for the other side too. We're just going to join it with slip stitch. Hide all the yarn ends and we're going to put buttons. And we're done the Atam mini purse. Thank you for watching. See you next time.